Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use eye tracking on iOS 18 or later. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to settings on your iPhone, and after that, just simply scroll down and tap on accessibility. And from there, just find and select eye tracking, and from there just toggle the switch to turn on eye tracking. And guys, the device will prompt you to calibrate by following a dot on the screen with your eyes. And guys, from there, just follow the on-screen instruction to calibrate. And this may involve moving your eyes to follow a dot on the screen. And you may need to adjust your phone screen orientation for accurate calibration. And from there, guys, to use the eye tracking, just look at the app or the item that you want to select and hold your gaze for a moment, and the device will recognize your selection once you maintain your gaze on the item. And guys, just simply use eye movement to navigate and select items, and eye tracking will follow your gaze and allow you to control your device with your eyes. So guys, remember that eye tracking may not be ideal for typing due to its currently instability in beta, and it's only best used for navigation and selection. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.